Move over to the next, how to insert smart graphic. This is an example of a smart art graphic. How do you design this? If you're working with a template that already have this in place, you can go ahead and edit. Okay, this one it's um also a smart art graphic but with table, right? And this is with a chart. To add on smart art graphic, once you have your layer, simply come here, click on insert a smart art graphic, or under insert beside home, you have the smart art graphic. Okay, so this is the smart art graphic. You can add lists, okay, different types of lists. Then you can explore the options to see what they do, including lists with images such as this one here. Okay, you can add a process. Okay, these are smart art graphic. Okay, you can add a circle, different kinds of circle, hierarchy. Okay, you can add relationship. You can add a matrix, you can add a pyramid, you can add a picture. Okay, pictures with frame. Okay, and then used to show picture with explanation text. So there's an explanation text here, then your picture. Okay, let's go ahead and look at list items. Let's look at stacked list. Okay, so let's name this list insert. When we are trying to add the features, what we can do in insert, you can insert picture, or let's say image. We can insert video. Now, maybe you want to add another layer, but this is just two. What do we do? Simply go here, enter, then let's say we insert audio. Another thing we can insert is what? Screenshots. Okay, so that is that. And let's say here we want to do what? Edit or design. Okay, sorry, design. And let's say we want to have a third column. Initially we planned having two, now we want to have a third column. What do we do? Still on this stacked list, click on enter. Okay, you can move around it. Okay, move up, we've moved it up, and we can start entering. Then we demote it and we start entering what we want to design. Let's say we want to design the picture, or we want to design the layout. So this is just an example of how you can add a smart art. I hope you'll be able to try it out. Now let's look at how to take and insert a screenshot. Now we want to insert a screenshot and we already have a slide. So still beside home where you have insert, click on screenshot. So before you screenshot, you need to have the windows what you want to screenshot. You have it open. Here I have some files from my file explorer opened, and here the presentations and my connection. Or you can screen clip. Okay, take a quick snapshot of part of the screen and add it to your document. Okay, so let me go ahead and screenshot this one. I already have it open, so here, and with a single click it will add the screenshot to the place where you want it. So that's that about taking a okay. Now, how do we take and insert a screen recording? If you've been watching closely, you will notice that for all the videos, they were screen recorded. Okay, I recorded them with my voice. So let us learn how to create this. The next thing we want to do now is to take that's to capture a screen recording and also insert the screen recording. How do we achieve this? First of all, let me create a new slide here, and okay, let's change the layout. Then insert icon. Under insert, at the end you see screen recording where the cursor is currently loading. But because I'm recording this screen, I won't be able to use this feature. So, but this is the icon to use and screen record. Once you click on it, it will start recording. Okay, and to stop the recording, you will have to click the Windows key, the Shift key, and Q key. Okay, after doing pressing Control, Windows key, Shift, and Q key, and then the video will be inserted just like this. Now, let us edit this inserted video. What can we do with the video that we've inserted? So under format, we can add a poster frame to our video. We can import from a file. Let's browse a file from the device, and let's choose this one, insert. Okay, so a title to we've added a poster frame to our video. And remember that whenever you want to start the recording, I wasn't able to show us that feature because I'm currently using screen recording. This is a window that will pop up this here. So you click on the record button to start recording. If you want to record without your audio, you don't click on this. You make sure it's not highlighted. That's the audio panel. Then if you don't want to capture your mouse, also make sure that the record pointer it's not highlighted. So that is how to use screen recording in PowerPoint. Okay, all right. Now, how do we export presentation as a video? Now, before we head straight into how to export PowerPoint as a presentation, I'm going to show you a lot of options that you can also choose from aside exporting as a video. Now, we already have our file open. Click on File, then you click on Export. You'll be able to see these options: create, that's to export it as a PDF, create a video to export it as a video, then package presentation for CD, create handout, change file type. Okay, so but before we do that of creating a video, let's see how we can change this file type to JPEG. Save as. Okay, so now I'm going to save it as you can choose to save all slides or just the current one, and I'm going to choose all slides. So our file has been saved. We'll see that in the next um, screen recording. To export to video, still the same thing. Click on the file, click on export, then click on create video. You can choose either of the standard, HD, full D, ultra D. Let me go for HD. You can choose to record the timing at the timing. That's maybe you've added the timing to the presentation. Okay, you need to record this before you add it. So here I've not recorded the timing of this slide, so I'm going to use don't use recorded timing and narrations, but you can choose to use it if you have that. Okay, if you have that, that means here where you have second spent on each slide would be the same match for the timeline and narration that you recorded already on your slide. If not, you can decide maybe increase this 10 second. I'm going to leave it 5, but you can choose whatever is okay for you. Then you create video. Okay, name your save and video will start. Once it's done here, video sent to will load, and that is that for exporting video. Now, to know how to make a presentation that will show your phrase, okay, I'm going to show you that in the bonus track. We explore all the options available in the slideshow. Stay tuned. Finally, the bonus track, all about features that we can get inside slideshow. Okay, to record a slideshow, we need to find the slideshow icon. It's up on the same line where you have file, home, insert, draw, design, transition, animation, then you have your slideshow. So go ahead and click the slideshow. And now these are the features you can find in your slideshow from beginning, from that's to start the slideshow from beginning, this from current slide to start from your current slide. Present online, it's for you to share and present online. And when you present online, you also have the ability to give, if you want, your the participants of your meeting, you can allow them to download your presentation. That's what present online option give you. Then you have custom slideshow, you have setup slideshow, you have hide slide. Maybe there's a particular slide you don't want to present, you can choose to hide it. Then you can rehearse timing. Remember when we talked about exploring exporting to video? If you rehearse timing, then you'll be able to turn on that time that we talked about while exporting your video. Okay, so record slideshow. You can also record slideshow, and your slideshow you can choose to present use presenters view. Then what does presenters view give you? It gives you the opportunity, the ability to see, it gives you the ability to see the next slides, to see your notes, to see a timer, to see things that your viewers are unable to see. Okay. Before we go back and discuss in depth about this record slideshow, I want to show you another feature, which is tell me what you want to do. For instance, you're stuck on what to do, and you can always come here and say, let's say search for insert, okay, right, or let's say screenshots. Okay, you can always come here to search for whatever you're looking for, and Windows Word has a way of bringing it for you. Okay, now let's dive deep into record slideshow. Okay, so to record the slideshow, once I clicked there, it took us to this window, right? So what we are going to do is to click on this record. Once we click on record, we'll be able to start recording. Okay, so start recording. Then you have your countdown. Use this time to prepare yourself, adjust yourself. All right, so I've started recording this slideshow, and remember, this slideshow is about using PowerPoint, beginner's guide, right? A basic guide. Okay, so these are the table of content, things we've covered: adding new slides, duplicating slides, change slides. All right, so that is how to add a video to your slideshow. And by the time you're done, when you click on the pause icon, let's go back to that slide. So I'll show you something. But once you click on that pause icon, you'll be able to sorry, once you click on the pause, it's for you to pause, and then the other one record, or whenever your slide ends, at the end of your slide you have everything set, and it will be automatically, the video will be automatically synchronized to your, or sorry, the video will be automatically added to your slide. So for each of the slides, for each minute you spend on the slide, that's how it will be added to the video will be added to your slide. Then you can now export it as a video and send to whoever you want to send it to. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new. All right, see you. Bye.